Hello everyone, I'm Nunzia from BIMobject Italy, and today I'm here to introduce you Nice, an international group in home and building automatic system, and its BIMobject. We can use the free integrated BIMobject app or plugin for Revit to browse the BIMobject cloud and find what we need. We choose this one and take a look to the product page to check if it might work for our project. We can find a description, links to Nice website, and other essential information about classification. The follow button allows you to be always updated about Nice new releases. Through the download button, we can choose the file we need, in this case the Revit one, and then have it straight inside our software, ready to be used. If I select the object, I can see all its properties, its technical data, description of the collection, and the other properties. Inside the product we can find families nests as supporters with its connection to the site, and the electrical motor with its properties. Remember that you can always check for updates, and you will have a notification. Extend the properties and go back to the product page through the BIMobject app. It's all for today. Feel free to download and try Nice products in your projects. See you soon. Ciao!